In this video, I will be showing you how to use email templates in Microsoft Outlook. So let's get started with the video. In Outlook dashboard, to view the email template option, you need to click New Email button. Next, you need to click this apps icon in this toolbar. And you can see here the My Template tool, with the help of which you can create email templates. When you click on it, it opens a template panel beside the Compose email window. Here are some of the default templates in Outlook. When you click them, they get added instantly in the Email Compose section. The email templates are very time-saving option if we want to send the same emails very often. For example, if I want to send emails to team members every week for the hard work and sales revenue generated, all I need to do is create a template and save it, and send the same content using the email template every week, which will save me a lot of time. To create a new template, click this template link here. And next, in this first field, you need to add the title of the template. In this box, enter the main email content and save it. The email template is ready. So every time I need to send weekly thank you email to my team, I can click this template, and the content is ready. I can make any changes necessary to the email template, adding a subject for the email template, or to make it personal, like adding the team member name or highlighting a specific text content before sending the email, like the sales revenue generated this week, or any other customization like highlighting the content. And send it immediately, which saves a lot of time. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.